Hey, I'm back again. Today we're working on state and city tax. Now, state and city tax is very easy. You guys did a great job on the other day, but I just want to make sure we go over this in a video so you have this aid to support you. First off, you gotta know what kind of tax rates are there out there for me for my state and city tax. Well, there's two, as you guys probably already know. There's a flat rate tax and there's a graduate rate tax. Let's talk about the flat rate tax first. The flat rate tax says that everyone gets a certain percentage taken out of their paychecks for state and local taxes. Okay? It can be a 2.5%, it could be a 3.3, a 4.4, 5.5, whatever. There's a set amount of percentage taken out no matter how much money you make. Okay? Now, a graduate rate income tax says, much like the federal income tax, says that the more money you make, the more money will be taken out. So as you go up in your tax brackets, the more money would be taken out. Alright, so that's pretty easy. Now, we got a problem here. It's going to give us two separate people who live in two separate states. And one state has a flat rate tax, and the other one has a graduate tax rate. So we're going to calculate the state tax for both these people. Alright, so the first one says, Jen lived in Colorado where they had a flat rate tax of 3.3%. That flat rate tax of 3.3%. Alright? Danny lived in Ohio where they had a graduated tax rate. Okay, so in Ohio they had a graduated tax rate, and it says at the bottom, they both had a taxable income of $44,000. Now, what are their state taxes? So we have to figure out what their state taxes is. And you see I can add started here. Our taxable income is $44,000. Okay, taxable income is $44,000. So to find that flat rate tax, you take 44,000 times 0.033 or by 3.3%. However you want to do it. Okay, you can take it as a decimal or as a percentage. It's whatever easier for you. But you're going to take that 44,000 times that by 3.3%. That's going to give you $1,452. You see here, $1,452. So, Jen's state tax was $1,452. Not too bad. But let's find out what Danny's state tax was. He was on a graduate income tax loan. So his graduate income tax, his taxable income was $44,000. $44,000. Now, you're going to use the graph in the book to help you out here. So use your graph in the book. So you go in, it says over but not over. So it has to be over 40,000 but not over 48,000. And that's the tax bracket that Danny falls into. So his tax bracket says he's going to be guaranteed to get $1,600 taken out of his taxes no matter what. That's a set amount. A graduate tax rate takes a set amount and then a percentage out over your minimum for your tax bracket. So he's going to get $1,600 taken out guaranteed. It says plus a 7% taxable income, or 7% over your taxable income of $40,000. So since his taxable income is $44,000, and the minimum, and they're going to take out 7% of anything over $40,000, we're going to subtract $44,000 minus $40,000. Okay, so since it gives you a set amount of money, and it says anything over the minimum amount for the tax bracket, which is $40,000, is going to be taxed by 7%. So we got to figure out what's over $40,000. $4,000 is over that, or taxable income. So we're going to take 4,000 times 7%. Okay, and that's going to give us our total amount of state taxes. So we got 4,000 times 7%, and it gives us $2,800 or $280. So we're at $280 on additional taxes, so we're $1,600. So at the end of the day, he's paying $1,888 in taxes to live in the state of Ohio, while Jen is only paying $1,452 to live in the state of Ohio. Alright, so Jen's getting a little bit better deal with a flat rate tax than Danny with the graduate rate income tax. But you can see how to calculate graduate income tax and flat income tax when it comes to finding your state and local taxes. Alright? So, good luck on the test. Until next time.